thing before this video starts, I want you to think in your head right now, one thing that you want to accomplish at the end of this week and put it down in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy the video.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it?
Hey everyone, Eduardo Cardoso here, and welcome to my new series dedicated to helping service members and veterans on their entrepreneur journeys. Building a business can be extremely difficult, especially if you're starting from ground zero. And if you're a veteran, I understand it can be extremely difficult building a business during your transition from active duty to civilian life. And that's why I'm making these videos, to help you as much as possible, because trust me, I've been there and I'm actually still there right now. I've been building businesses since 2014, and currently I've gotten accepted into the WeWork Bunker Labs position that I am in now, and I want to maximize my journey by helping you on your journey. There's one thing that I wish I would have had when I decided that I wanted to start building my business, and it was a little bit of mentorship. Just a little bit of mentorship in this realm helps a lot, because that little bit can catapult you into your next mentor, the next tip that you're gonna get, and maybe even the next business partner, the next sale, the next business close that you get. So you never know what you're gonna learn from who at any time. So without further ado, this is gonna be a very quick and effective tip, and it's gonna be for those new entrepreneurs, for those of you that just started your business, maybe this year, maybe yesterday, maybe today. Maybe today's the day that you decided, I'm gonna be an entrepreneur. Maybe you're active in the military, or you just got out, you're utilizing your GI Bill, and you got a little bit of extra money, right? You're thinking, I don't want a job. If you were like me, you were thinking, I don't want a job while I go to school. I wanna continue educating myself in school and start building my business, so when I graduate, I can have a business to flourish in. So the tip is gonna be, when somebody asks you what you do, be confident. When you say, hey, I'm an entrepreneur, be confident. I remember when I first started telling people that I was an entrepreneur and people were asking me what I was doing, I would say, I'm a student right now, and I would kind of look at the ground, I would look at my hands like I'm doing right now, and so I'm doing that, my GI Bill, and I'm an aspiring entrepreneur, I want to do this. So that is what I did for a long time, and don't get me wrong, there's been instances where I switched careers and I stopped going to school and I start going back to school, and this business is on pause while I work on this business. Or maybe, a lot of things are gonna change when you're an entrepreneur. So it can make it, somebody can catch you off guard, and it can make it a little bit confusing and harder to explain that. So something that I found helped me build confidence in myself and build confidence in other people to help them wanna help me and hire me is just being confident in what you do and how you present it. If somebody asks you what you're doing, let them know. Be confident. If you just started a detail business, a car washing detail business, and you have one client, maybe you don't have any clients, that's your moment to maybe get a new client right there. The person that just asked you, say, hey, my name is Mark Jeffries, and I actually own a detail business. I have, maybe you don't have a card, but you can just tell them what you do. You can say, I've been passionate about cars for a long time, and I'm in that business right now. If you're looking for a good detail, here's my number. My name is Mark Jeffries. I'll be more than happy to exchange contact information with you right now. And so that's the tip. Be confident. Don't beat around the bush. Trust me, I did it for a long time, and I receive emails and direct messages that say, hey Ed, I'm an aspiring entrepreneur and I had a question. Nothing wrong with saying it. It's just that just don't say it, right? Don't even say it, don't bother. Be confident in who you are and what you do. So I hope this video helps you out. Be confident, be confident, be confident. If you like this video, like the video, leave a comment if you want, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out, helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible.